Alright guys, let's now get to work. We are gonna create a folder and name it. Let's name it portfolio. Okay, we are gonna take this folder, drag and drop inside our favorite text editor. My favorite is Visual Studio Code. I will go here and just create a file with a name of server.js. After this, let's view terminal. Okay, I want to init create a package file npm init. The reason I'm doing it is because I want to bring some modules. Okay, some dependencies, and in order to get these dependencies, are going to be saved here. Okay, now let's go and install some basic dependencies. First of all, we need npm install express. Also, we need mongoose, right? Let's see, we are going to see all these dependencies here. Maybe I wrote something wrong. So npm install mongoose. Let's see. Let me see. Let me see why it does not save here. What's the problem right now? This tutorial will walk you through validation. Okay, let me see. npm install mongoose. I don't know why it was so stuck. So right now we see mongoose here. npm install. We also need the what else? We need express. Mongoose, guys, is a way in order to communicate with the database, with MongoDB. Express is a node framework which makes routing much more easier. Okay, and then let's install also the .env, which loads in environment variables from env files to process.env. So npm install .env. Yes. Also, let's install the course, which is it is a technique to allow to allow making requests to a server of different domains. What happened? Did you mean npm install course? Yes, we got course. So let's go to the server right now. We want first of all to require the .env .config, right? We need const express equal with require express. Yes, we want to bring it inside here. For this reason we use require const mongoose. We need to require the mongoose, right? Also, let's bring here the course require course. Yes. Okay, let's move. Let's initialize the express in app inside the app variable express, right? Let's create right now a middleware. So middleware, so app.use. What is middleware, guys? Now first of all we need to bring the express.json to cover all the body, to take all the body from data. So app.use, also we need course app.get. Now I want you to explain you the difference. So app.use, guys, the use is a middleware which has access in all the app. This is a work of use. So how we can get access from this? We have a specific line, okay? Here it has access in every get, post, put, or delete request. The difference with the get and post and delete is that the get post has access in specific destination. So let's now create app.get. Okay, we are gonna put a rec and a res here. Let's make a res.send hello from server, right? Okay, first we need, what does this app.get? We need to go in this destination, okay, and when we go in this destination exactly, then this function is gonna fire, okay, it's gonna act. Let's right now create app.listen. So here is the port that we are gonna go, okay, right, and log what happened. Okay, we need server listening on port. Okay, let's make it port, and of course we haven't created a port yet. Let's create a port. It's gonna be port equal 5 thousands. Before working with this, let's do some other things here, guys. Let's install also, guys, here. I don't want to deal with this letter. So package.json. Let's install the npm, no, with capital, npm install. We need the Cloudinary, which is, let me write it correct, which is a way to upload the image to the server. We need also the concurrently, which help us run at the same way the front server and the back server. Let's install also node.js, which every time we write something in the backend, it auto saves, it auto runs. Also, guys, let's install the Express file upload. Okay, let's install these things. Maybe I didn't write something correctly for this reason. So npm install, let's write node.js concurrently, right? When you don't write, when you write all this together and you make a simple mistake, nothing is going to be saved. Okay, here we see the node.js and concurrently. What else we need? We need the Cloudinary, npm install Cloudinary. Let's see. Okay, we got it here. Let's write npm install maybe express file upload. Let's see. Right. File upload. It's a way for uploading files. Let's also install JSON Web Token, which is a way to create data, encoding data, something like this. So npm install JSON Web Token. Also, let's install the node mailer, which is a way this help us sending email to our Gmail. npm I didn't see here installed. Let's see what happened. No demo, no. npm install node mailer. Okay, now it's going. Okay, we got it, right? Let's close now the package JSON and create a file, name it .env. We are gonna save here all the variables that we want someone to see it, secret variables. So let's create a port equal with, right, after this oh, what is this? Look, we don't need this. What happened? Okay, we got the port. Let's now use process .env dot port. Look, now we get now we get this port from here, from this file with this way, right? It's time. Let's write npm. Before going there, guys, let's go inside here in package JSON. We want to work here after the start, right? Server. What happened is capital server. Okay, we need to put here node.js server.js, right? Let's start. npm run server. Server listening on port 5000. Okay. Now every time by putting here the node daemon is gonna watch for changes, right? If for example, look, if I gonna do like something like this, watching for changes. Let's start the server right now. So let's open our browser here. Let's go to localhost. Okay, not here, and we see hello from server. Look, we see what we wrote here. Let me start now. This is our initial server that we created, guys, but we don't want to got all this the app.get here. So for this reason we need to create some routes. Let's create the routes.